Now as we are done with the square, now we have to do a square root, our topic. So what is a square root? The first question. What is a square root? We have learned about the square, that a square is a whole number multiplied by itself or its number multiplied by itself, so its product is a square. We are done with the square. Now what is root? So we can say the length of one side of a square is known as a square root, for example. So we are done with the square. So the symbol for a square root, the specific symbol for a square root we use. So the specific symbol we use to represent a square root is this. This is the symbol which represents the square root. This is the symbol for a square root. To represent in a square, we have just learned that we can write like this: 2 square, or just like in a product form, 2 multiplied by its number 2. But a square, how to represent any square root? So we are going to write in whole number. For example, 2 square, the product of 2 square is 4. So we are going to write 4 inside here. What we did, just make a square root symbol. It's very easy. Just go like this and this and this. Simple. And then we are not going to write any whole number like this. We are just going to write a product number. Just like 3 times 3 is 9, so we can write 9 over here, but we cannot write 3 over here inside this square root symbol. So a square is represent like 2 square and 2 product, and just like in a product form. But a square root is represented by a symbol like this, and we are going to write a product number inside this is square root. We cannot write this 2, 3, 4, 5. We will write a product number inside it. So some of the examples for this are just like 16. So first of all, if you remember all the tables, so it's easy for you to solve any square root question. So the 16 is a square of 4. We can write it 4 square. So this is an square root, and if we have to simplify this, so we can write 16 square root 16 is equals to 4 square. Square root 16 is equals to 4 square, because this is the symbol for a square root and this is a product number. So 4 square is in how we can write a square. So 4 square. This is how we are going to do square root questions. 64. So 64 is a square of 8. We will write a square root 64 is equals to 8 square. I have done this difficult one to explain you, and another we can do like this. 25. So 25 square root 25 is a square of 5 square. It's just easy. You just need to learn it and just focus on it a little bit. You can easily understand this. This is not too difficult. So square is represented symbol. Very easy, just like this, go up and down and then up and straight. And then inside it we are going to write the product number. We cannot write 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, 6, 7, 8 inside it. We are just going to write the product. For example, the square for 5 is that 5 multiplied by its number. so it will 25, so we are going to write 25 inside it. We cannot write 5 over here. Square root are used to find out an square number, but today we have done this square root, the symbol for a square root, how we are going to write it, the symbol for it, and the purpose for a square root.